I think the hack and hustle and startup models of running businesses have shown that they just run business owners into the ground. The quiet entrepreneurship model is a way of doing business with a profitable, excellent service, win over the long haul, over the length of time that actually people plan to be in business for. No one started a business saying, hey, I want to work 60 hours a week and run this thing into the ground and be burnt out and compromise and sacrifice those that I love. No one does that. The quiet entrepreneurship model says, you know what, how do I build a business that is healthy for me, that it's beneficial to those that I love, that are sacrificing their time and energy for me to do this business, and that actually is life-giving rather than life-sucking. Somehow in this, I'm going to work hard, play hard, like in this mindset that we just embraced, I don't know if it's influencers or people, we decided that working longer was better. And we decided that for some reason we didn't deserve to take a Sabbath, a break every week. We didn't deserve vacations, that the badge of honor we need is that we work hard all the time. You know what? Working harder and smarter, it's actually harder to work smarter. The quiet entrepreneurship model is a better, proven scientifically way of doing business that produces healthier, happier, and more profitable entrepreneurs.